So you want to learn the ever so popular TikTok hairstyle? Well, let me tell you, you have come to the wrong place because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to this hairstyle. There is a ton of videos online and on TikTok itself about how to do this hairstyle, and I'm gonna do my own take on it. This is my first time ever doing it, so should be interesting. I also don't really recommend if you're like over, I don't know, like 21 or 22 to do this hairstyle, because it's kind of, I feel like it's kind of leaned towards more like the younger audience. So if you're 43 like me, I probably wouldn't recommend doing it. But with that being said, just a quick rundown of my hair measurements. The top is about 4 inches, maybe a little bit longer, kind of in the fringe. It is blended into the back, as you can see. The sides are probably a number 2, just kind of blended into about a ½ inch in the corners here. And same with the back, it just kind of blends up to the top of my hair back here. So my hair isn't necessarily long, it's not necessarily short. I'd say it's like a decent length. So for the products, I have my generic little hairspray here, like always, that I use in pretty much every video. And then I have ocean clay, like always, that I use in pretty much every video. Yeah, that's about all I got. Let's head over to the bathroom and let's make this jacked hairstyle, why don't we? Well, yeah, all right, well, that's all I got. Take a little look at this if you want. Alright, so that is the hairstyle for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely have a strong opinion that I don't like it. Maybe not the hairstyle in general, but on me, I definitely just don't think it looks great. I definitely feel like this hairstyle is catered towards the younger, like the teens, maybe like your young adult. I feel like if you're like 22, maybe 21, like I feel like you should probably just stray away from this, because it definitely is kind of a younger man, boy hairstyle. Definitely makes me feel like I look like I'm 6. That's just my personal opinion. If you are older than that, please don't take any offense. It's just my opinion and I'm just a nobody. So if you guys did enjoy today's video, click that like button. Again, this is just my take on this hairstyle. There's a lot of other tutorials out there that do it differently. This is just my way of doing it. And I feel like putting that product in before I blow dried the hair definitely really helped kind of hold the hair up. Having a little bit more of that foundation when the hair is wet before I blow dried it definitely helped kind of keep it all in place as it got towards the end of the blow drying process. So that definitely was a key factor in kind of making this hairstyle. My Instagram will be linked in the top of the description if you guys want to go check that out. That is definitely more fashion oriented. It's not really any sort of hairstyling and stuff like that, but if you guys are interested in seeing kind of the fashion side of things, that is linked in the top of the description for you guys to go check. That is pretty much going to do it for today's video. I will see you guys very soon. I'm going to go shower and you know, fix my hair because I just cannot handle this. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that.